Hey folks, how's it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel has changed directions. It is no longer ATV Backwoods, it's called Andy's Adventures. So I'll be taking you maybe once a week, maybe go see some sights, maybe check out video game stores, check out everything else. Hopefully I might get some subscribers out of this. Stay tuned. So I'm still doing YouTube. Um, I'm doing all this so my mom can get a better kitchen for her and, help out with my parents. So stay tuned for more adventures coming your way. Andy's Adventures signing out. Peace.